The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
My big pop that's represented. Never think I want to talk about. My mother in the hospital on Ward 5. Let me tell you honest truth. She called me a while ago. I cried on video call. She's a big pop. If me dead tonight, a Spanish run hospital people then kill me off. And them kill me off, don't you? It's like, she said they not attend to her. Them not deal with her good. Things happen to her and it's like, when she call upon them, they not answer, they not deal with her. Enough people can relate to this. We really are in a Spanish run hospital. A time for somebody really take a stand to this, and a time for the bigger heads them move in and really find out from the patient them and find out from.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now I just presented to you a video that shows a person talking about Spanish Town Hospital. See? According to some of the things that have been said in this video and according to some things that have been said on social media, I get the understanding that this person is talking about Spanish Town Hospital that is within the parish of St. Catherine, that's at the country of Jamaica. Now this person said some things that gave me the understanding that he's saying that his mother is at the hospital. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, I bring this video to you so that you can hear some of the things that this person had said. You see what I'm saying to you? And you can let me know what you think about some of the things that this person had said, and with that I'm going to move on to another topic right about now. You see me? Now, I saw videos on social media showing Buju Banton talking about some things, and one of those videos, to my understanding, some things had been said about it on social media that gave me the understanding that many persons are saying that Buju Banton is against wearing masks. Is what I'm saying to you? And according to the context, it would seem as if they're talking about the wearing of masks to protect persons from COVID-19. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and I'm going to put together and present to you two pieces of videos, and these two pieces of videos is going to show Buju Banton saying some things, viewers and subscribers, and I'm bringing these videos to you so that you can hear for yourself some of the things that Buju Banton has said, and to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, and you can also let me know what you think. All right, now as I'm about to present these two pieces of videos to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in these two pieces of videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right, now here are the pieces of videos. Take a look, listen and observe.
Well, someone try to ask if everything alright. I tell the brethren, no, everything not alright and everything can't alright. Who want done this mask wearing bullshit in Jamaica? Who would fit dead I go dead, and who not go dead just for just live? With either you intellectual fools trying to tell us how to live our lives. You are so smart, we haven't found a cure for cancer. You are both all touting a line and putting the Jamaican people in abject fear and driving us all to poverty. What have you done for all those who you have laid off and make them business close early? Jamaican people need to wake up. I'm done with the fuckery. Jamaican people need to wake up. But now we're no mask. Because man, no mask no make for man. So hear this. And from September and January with about I'm fuck with the people them. Free my people. Free my people. Now. They thought you to love Michael Jackson. Then they thought you to hate Michael Jackson. They thought you to love Bill Cosby. Then they thought you to hate Bill Cosby. Don't you see that they have been lying to us for all these times? So why should we believe them now? Why? How ironic it is that this virus actually is more intelligent than man. It's like it move and follow in certain individuals wherever they go. My people, when they better wake up, they can't go and find out. First and foremost, Jamaicans on selling a vote, you know. And from selling a vote, you know, no sense. So anything can happen right now. Wise up and stand up on the last chance before you reach the precipice.
Now, viewers and subscribers, I saw a news article about this whole thing where it is said that Buju Banton speaks out against the wearing of masks, you see me? And I'm going to explain to you according to how I understand some of the things that have been said in the news article that I saw, you see me? So please bear in mind that it might not be word for word as to how it had been said, but I'm just telling you according to how I understand what had been said in the news article. Now, according to that news article, it said some things that gave me the understanding that the news article is saying that Buju Banton's daughter, who goes by the name of Jodie and Mary, tweeted, and that tweet says that Jodie and Mary is saying that persons should follow protocol and continue to wear masks and try to protect themselves from the COVID-19, or wear the mask so that it can protect themselves from the COVID-19 and others. You see me? Please bear in mind that it's not exactly as to how it had been said, but that's the understanding that I get from the news article. You understand? Now, viewers and subscribers, some persons on social media did not agree with some of the things that Buju Banton has said also. You understand? Yeah. There are persons who did not agree with some of the things that Buju Banton has said. And you have persons who agree with some of the things that Buju Banton had said at the same time. You understand me? And according to the news article, viewers and subscribers, it is said that many persons on social media disagreed with some of the things that Buju Banton had said, including Buju Banton's daughter, who goes by the name of Jodie and Mary. Now, according to the news article, Jodie and Mary is said to be a politician. You see me? So viewers and subscribers, I'm just letting you know what's going on. I'm just telling you those things. Now, viewers and subscribers, overall, I would encourage each and everyone out there to continue to do their best to protect themselves from the COVID-19. You see me? Wear your mask, do the social distancing, and so on. You understand me? It's not that I'm against anyone with their belief, and I understand how a person might feel towards certain things, but at the same time, I think it is best to do our best to try and protect ourselves from the COVID-19. I do not understand what the COVID-19 is fully. I know that it's a virus, but I'm not a scientist, so therefore I cannot tell you how it will affect you or how you're going to get it in every possible way. Yes, what I say? So do your best to protect yourself and others from the COVID-19. Wash your hands, wear your mask, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm only there so to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. Alright? So viewers and subscribers, this is where I'm going to leave it. I hope that the things that I just told you is somewhat informative. You can let me know what you think about this whole thing. You see me? You can let me know if you agree or disagree with Buju Banton. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that the person had said about the hospital that is known as Spanish Town Hospital and other things as well. That's what I'm saying to you. And if you need to contact Dancehall Skilla, read the description down below this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. And you can also click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I put a video out there on YouTube. Alright? Yeah, and here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?